Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. My name is Martin, and today we are going to be talking about some NIO news, ticker symbol NIO. It is a Chinese-based electric vehicle company that has been hit hard, especially in the past few weeks, but is now starting a very nice recovery. Have we found the bottom of this stock? And what do the futures look on this company? I think you're going to get a lot out of this video because we are starting to get some manufacturing out of China. We are starting to get and see some relief on those COVID lockdowns, which will definitely help this stock and a lot of the other electric vehicle plays that we are in. But I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into it and get started, all I ask is that you please give me the big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos, and share this page with others so we can continue to grow the channel. I'd greatly appreciate that. I have partnered up with Moomoo, and I have a fantastic deal using my link down below to Moomoo. Right now, if you open a brand new account with at least $100, you will get a free Lucid LCID stock. On top of this, Moomoo will give you up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $2,500 each. That is a huge opportunity to get some free cash and take advantage of that huge opportunity. Now, without further ado, let's talk about NIO and its ticker symbol NIO, as I do think that this company has a lot of life ahead of itself, and we have seen some very good news coming out from this company, NIO. As I mentioned, it is a EV Chinese-based play, and right now, NIO is striving to be one of the best electric vehicle luxury auto manufacturers in China. It has actually established itself very well in China, and it is very received as a great brand, but it is now stretching out and trying to get into the European market, which has been doing quite well in the European Union. Now, even further than that, we are starting to see some signs that NIO is starting to look out past Europe and possibly get into the United States market to get some US sales, which will be incredible for this company and the future growth of NIO as a brand. Now, NIO has just recognized that it has been trying to seek positions in the United States to fill in its headquarters in California to start getting big names in the company. So that is the big signal that is starting to branch out to the United States. Hopefully in the next 2 years, it will be selling its vehicles in the United States. And I think this is one of the best right now, big catalyst moving this stock up. We have, in addition to seeing its expansions into other markets, we have seen that the COVID lockdowns have started to ease up. We are starting to see the productions of these vehicles coming out. Now, China has known that these lockdowns have really suffered and hurt the EV market and the auto industry. So they are doing something very nice and very strategic to get the sales of these electric vehicles in the auto manufacturing up and running. It is actually starting to give incentives to the Chinese people to purchase electric vehicles. They are starting June 1st, giving federal tax cuts to people that buy a brand new electric vehicle. They are giving up to $1,500 rebates if you do purchase an electric vehicle right now and you convert from an internal combustion engine or an ICE vehicle. So that is definitely a very nice push for the electric vehicle market in China and to get these vehicles out and about. So again, very big things to see. In addition to the expansion of NIO into other sectors, we are starting to see the Chinese lockdowns are starting to fade, which will start increasing the productions of vehicles and the supply chain issues. Again, the Chinese government has put in a very nice rebate to get people to start buying electric vehicles. So this big three combination is a very big catalyst moving this stock up. And I did just want to show you how this stock has been doing, especially in the past 1 week. In the past 5 days, this stock has had very nice growth of up to 18.8%. We have, I believe, tested the bottom of this stock. Its 52-week low was $11.67. We have tested that. We have hit a bottom on this stock right around May 11th, but we have since then went up almost 38% in this stock. Are we still out of the woods yet? We still could see some growing pains. However, I do think we have hit the bottom and there are a lot more green days ahead. I think we are starting to pick up some steam. We are starting to get a lot of investors that are starting to get into EV stocks. We've seen numerous billionaires starting to scoop up a lot of these shares that have oversold, in my opinion, especially in the EV markets. If we go back in the past year to date, at the beginning of the year, NIO stock was $33 and about 50 cents. We have now gone to its lowest point, down about 62%. As I mentioned, these stocks have been oversold. We are starting to get that revival of this stock. Right now, we are seeing that we are having a resistance of $18, which is something that we do need to break through that ceiling. But we have seen a stabilization right around that $15 mark. So again, I do suspect that we will, in the next few weeks, be trading sideways. We will still have this zigzag motion where we do have big highs, and also we could have some lows, because we are starting to still get that government in the United States to fight inflation, which is at its 40-year high. But again, we will start having a lot of pain in the markets, especially once the federal government and the Federal Reserve start increasing interest rates. We have seen from the current presidential administration that they are really trying to fight that inflation. They are trying to push the Federal Reserve to fight inflation and to do no matter what it can to bring this down, which means higher interest rates. Higher interest rates will mean more volatility, especially in electric vehicles, in technology stocks, and in the stock market as a whole. But I do believe that these stocks are oversold, and I am a very big bull on NIO stock in the near future. I do think that NIO has a great product. It is also having new models just coming out. Just most recently, it did have the ET7, the first all-electric sedan, and that has been well received in China. But it also, later this year, it will be making the ET5, which is a more affordable version to compete with the Tesla Model 3. But very nice vehicles and a very nice technology that NIO has. Remember, NIO has the battery swap technology. It does have battery as a service, which does give it very nice revenues for the future. And I definitely think that their model and their branding is well known, and it's starting to be known around the world. So I do think that NIO does have very nice futures ahead of itself. And also make sure to research this company if you do invest it, as I am not your financial advisor, but I am a great believer that this stock will do great things in the future, especially if they can penetrate and get into the US market. This stock will be on fire. But very good things to say to look into for this stock, to add it to your watch list. The big risks on this company, it is a Chinese-based company, and we do have those worries, still a lot of that fear, uncertainty, and doubt about the delisting of Chinese stocks. Again, they will need to be working with the SEC, the Security and Exchange Commission in the United States, and to have transparency on these Chinese companies. But again, these are things that we are working past. It does look like the governments are working together, which could be a good sign for this company moving forward. But again, I do think that this is a very nice stock, and I hope that you did learn something new about this video. If you did learn something new, and if you did like this video and you would like me to make more videos like this, all I ask is that you please give me that big thumbs up button. The like button will keep me alive, and it'll help with that YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos, and share this page with your family and friends, as I greatly appreciate it, so we can continue to grow the channel. I do have some awesome promotions down below using my links to Moomoo. Right now, we are running a great special to get you a free Lucid LCID stock just by opening a brand new account with Moomoo. Put in at least $100 into a brand new account. That will guarantee you that free Lucid stock. In addition to this, Moomoo will also give you up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $2,500. That is an amazing opportunity to get up to $12,500 in free stocks. Amazing potential to get those free stocks. Also using my link down below to Webull. If you open a brand new account just by putting in 1 penny, they will give you up to 5 free stocks, each valued potentially up to $3,000 each. In addition to this, I do have great links down below. There's 3 major articles I would like to share with you. These are free for your enjoyment, for your reading. The first one is the real estate bubble bursting. Right now, the housing market is at a critical time. We are starting to see interest rates go up higher and higher. That could be another bubble. Take advantage and look at that free article below. Also, I do have near misses, a history of the bear markets. Also, using that link can give you a very nice perspective on where the S&P has been since the year 1935. And this is one of the worst years that we've had in the S&P 500. And this article does an amazing job talking to you about this. Again, free article for you to read. And the last one is the recession of the 2022. Much more pain is coming is the title of this article. It can actually give you an insight as what is going on with the markets. Are we going into a recession? What are the risks? So take advantage of looking at these articles that are free for your reading and entertainment. But again, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your help. And make sure to have a wonderful day, have a wonderful week, and I cannot wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.